Hello friends, how are you? I am Raihan Islam. I have bought you a special product. Product name SEO Pro. Product description: the most solid SEO online software with all the features you need. Discover the SEO software I create for you to generate unlimited reports without having to pay for credits. This is an easy to use online software. Number 1. Able to manage unlimited websites, yours and from you customers. Number 2, 30 seconds to activate every feature. Number 3, no hassle with visitor, website, social media, ranking, indexing, backlink and keyword analysis. Number 4, a lot of fantastic tools and any click of your mouse. Number 5, and much more. This is demo video.
SEO Pro is an unlimited online SEO suite to look after your sites and your customers' websites. On the inside, you will find more than 27 tools to know everything about your website in terms of search engine optimization, so that you can know exactly what steps you should take to rank your website for different keywords. Very easy to use, SEO Pro is compatible with any type of website, including WordPress, HTML, ClickFunnels, and everything else. You activate it in less than 5 minutes, and every time you need to look at your website or blog, you can do it in real time via a simple interface. On the inside, you can know everything about your visitors, from where they come, what they do on your site, how much time they stay, and much more details. Top referring sites, social media doing better for you, browsers used, operating systems and devices. You can know how your keywords are doing, which ones are the most used, and check your position on search engines. How many do follow and not follow backlinks you have and from where they come. And you can also access a lot of additional services like a malware checker, a plagiarism checker, email checker, and much more. Only for a few days you can grab this out from the ordinary tool and use it for your own websites and for your customers without any imposed limit.
The biggest problem with search engine optimization is it become complicated to manage. With many factors to keep in mind, you have to pay monthly subscription on a lot of portals only to jot down an SEO path of follow for your website. This software will solve lot of SEO problems. It's super fast and has a lot of interesting function. SEO, web analysis, content, backlink, keywords, traffic, ranking, optimization. With this SEO online software, you can: Number 1, know everything your visitors are doing on your site and blog page. Number 2, get any hidden information about your website and domain name. Number 3, check which keywords are doing great and which are not so great. Number 4, see how your site is doing on social media. Check your number 5. Check your backlink in real time. Include do follow and no follow. Number 6. View search engine rankings in real time. Number 7. See everything there is to fix on your blog and website. Number 8. Scan your blog website for malwares. Number 9. Check if your content is plagiarism free to avoid copyright problems. Number 10. Get commercial rights and get paid by your customers. Get commercial rights and get paid by your customers. Number 12. And much more. Know everything your visitors are doing on your own website and blog. Full website analysis. Social media analysis, link analysis, keyword tracking and position reports. Plagiarism checker, valid email checker. SEO Pro is a game to start caring about your website SEO, as it's difficult to get all this information in a single place and at a click of a button. It is the software you have always demand of, and it's really simple to use. This is the first SEO software able to your more visitor every day. Check a few screenshots. It's just a sketch on the surface of what SEO Pro can do for your business. A lot of function at your complete disposal from the most easy to advanced ones. And what about the super set of benefits? Here we go. Work fast and with no imposed limit. Save a lot of found from other SEO tool you are paying for every month. Get paid every time you publish something new on your blog or websites. Become an SEO expert for yourself and your customers in on time. Sell SEO service on Fiverr or your website. You use one level the software and get infinite profits using SEO. Start monetizing your free time and enjoy the time spent saving time and money. In short, you open the software and you can give life to your rankings, including SEO Pro. 3 steps to repeat to get rankings. Step 1. Start SEO Pro software on your browser. Step 2. Choose the start to see directly on screen. Step 3. Make change and finally rank any website. Here's what you get when you purchase my product. SEO Pro, the software, high quality support. Contact me via email. Buy now. Add to cart. Click here. If you want to know more, then you can visit my website. My website, raihanholproductreview.com. Review with Raihan. SEO Pro review. Others digital product. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, etc. You will find the product link in the description of my channel. If you like the people, if you like the product, then you can see the product. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.